Come on, Slowpoke, it's raining.
Dad, when's the fire gonna go off?
Probably.
Maybe it's like
Go off in about 45 minutes.
Maybe like in 1 hour.
45 minutes. Not quite an hour. So today is Briar's first official pig hunt, or really hunt of any kind. He's hunted turkeys a little bit, but we didn't have any success. But this is his first hunt with a rifle, and
what I've seen the huge turkey print.
he's in a huge turkey print.
It was big.
But it's not turkey season yet.
I know it'd be luckily it was on the same side we could go on. It was on that side first, and it was coming this way.
Yep.
So we'd get a good chance of it.
Well, archery season opens up, and 2 weeks from today, and we're going to be using a crossbow for that. It'll be his first archery season, but we've got a lot of pigs been coming in the evenings and running the deer off, so we're going to try to get in here and take care of a couple before deer season comes in. So 2 weeks from now we'll be hunting deer, turkeys, and pigs, but tonight it's only doing a little scouting and looking for a big old boar pig. Sound good? Think we're going to see anything? Feeling pretty confident? I made the mistake of thinking that me and Briar could outrun the rain on the way to the stand, and we got drenched. And it's about 90 degrees in here.
Our snacks.
And we forgot the snacks. Golly, I can't believe you forgot the snacks.
It's not my fault.
It's your fault.
No, it's not.
It's his fault.
No, it's not.
I stopped and bought the snacks. You could at least bring him to the deer stand.
I didn't mean to. I didn't notice. I thought you packed him in the bag. I thought you packed him in there.
Well, we're gonna get him set up. So this is Briar's first time sitting in his stand as a hunter, so anytime you're changing stands, it's really important to try to get them set up and make sure they're comfortable, make sure that the chair's set at the right height. And we're gonna get him set up real quick. Make sure you can get on a pig when they come out.
Dad, look here for this.
Right, go and put one in.
Can we practice a couple times?
Yeah, keep your finger off the trigger. And get your elbow on this.
Pew, 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 pew.
Get your elbow over here. Can you hold steady?
Yeah.
Normally I'd like for him to be able to put his elbow down on something to help him stabilize the gun, but the way this blind's set up, if he puts his elbow on the window frame, he can't get to the feeder, so we're gonna have to do some adjusting before we come back out here next time. So he can get his elbow on something, but I think he's steady enough for tonight. He should be able to get a shot off on some pigs.
What would you tears for now?
So if you ever want to test your patience, go hunting with a 6-year-old. Spend about 4 hours in a stand with him. It'll test your patience. Right, Briar? Right. We've only been here about 2 hours, maybe. His butt's hurting, so. Only about 2 more hours to go. Wish us luck.
Ow, ow. Have a cut on my lip.
How'd you cut your lip? Briar, where are all the pigs at?
Why won't we turn on in a different place?
It's too late to hunt in a different place.
Why?
So Briar's confidence is rapidly diminishing.
What's that mean?
It means you don't have very much confidence. He told me a minute ago he didn't think we were going to see anything, so gonna give it till dark and see if we can get something to come out. The sun's finally starting to go down. How you feeling about it, Briar?
I am starving.
He's starving. We haven't seen anything yet. Hopefully it's about to happen. I know we're really thankful for the thermocell this evening. Mosquitoes are terrible out here.
I've got big ones.
You've got big ones.
Yep.
It's just about last light. Probably got about 15 minutes left.
If we don't get one, bad luck.
We haven't seen the squat, but
We
we haven't been throwing corn very long yet. Briar's really loud, so
I punch you.
we'll be back. I'm gonna try something different this time. Used to, every time I would go hunting, I'd film a little bit. If we didn't shoot something, I'd just ditch the footage that we had. But this time we're gonna kind of do a rolling series.
Like we're not, it still has 2%.
We still have some better.
It's still
But,
2%.
We're gonna keep making videos until he gets one. So keep watching. So we're going in for Briar's second pig hunt. You ready, buddy? We're going to a spot that doesn't even have a box blind or anything set up in it yet. We're just gonna sit on the ground with a stake blind and hopefully we can get some coming in, but cut a little hole in a cedar tree or something. But the hogs have been tearing this place up, so hopefully we can get on some this evening. Peter's right there, so we should be good setting up over here somewhere. We're using the Aristotle Engineering lockjaw mount. So I could probably put a face mask on him, but then I wouldn't be able to see his beautiful smile. Handsome smile. Right. So we put some face paint on him and we'll still be able to see that smile when he kills that big old boar this evening. You ready for this? Let me see. What do y'all think? Think that's camoed up enough? I think we need to rough it in a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. Well, I think that's about it for hunt number 2. What do you think, Briar?
Yeah, I think it's time to go.
I think it's time to get out of here. Didn't kill anything, but it was fun. We're going to be trying it again. This coming weekend is opening season of, well, it's archery season for whitetail, so hopefully we can get Briar's first deer, and maybe his first pig too. So, we had fun.
Is it time to leave?
Well, we're going to go get set up in the tent blind that we put up earlier this afternoon, and hopefully some pigs come in. What do you think, Briar? You're first up the bat, bud.
Me.
What do you think?
This guy.
You gonna kill a big one?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Feeling pretty confident about tonight.
Hey, will you
They've really been in there heavy, so hopefully we can get one. Let's go.
Look, get on the road, man. Put this one up.
Hold on, I forgot. Alright, bro, you gotta pick a lucky arrow. Which one do you want? This one?
I picked the big.
That's the one that's gonna do it. just had a really nice 10-point come in, and we came to this stand thinking we would just see pigs, and we ended up seeing 3 bucks, a 10-point and 2 8-points. The 10-point was really nice. I think it'd be something that I'd let Briar shoot. It'd be an awesome first deer. Really nice, clean, symmetrical 10. He didn't come to the feeder, but we just set this ground blind up today, so I think they're a little leery of it. I think we're going to skip hunting here in the morning and maybe try it again tomorrow evening, but definitely a nice deer. The kids are ready to get out and go eat, but I think there's still a chance some pigs might come in, or those bucks. Hopefully we don't bust them out here this evening, because I'd really like to get a shot at that 10. But it's been a good evening. It's nice and cool. Be quiet, be still, be still. Be still. Lily, no, I want you to point it on Briar.
I can see him.
Just turn it up, turn it up. Pick the biggest one you can get on. Just get it up. Never put it around on his shoulder. On their broadside. Get that one to the right. Hold on. Look to the scope. Look to the scope. Hold on. Just be patient. Get the one on this side. Get right behind the shoulder and squeeze the tree. Hold on. Wait for me to get broadside. Right there. Shoot it. Take your time. Right behind the shoulder. You got it. You got it. You got your first pig. You got him.
Alright.
What do you think? You got him. You got him. Briar just got his first pig.
Can we go?
Good shot, but he dropped it right in its tracks.
I got mine in my pet. In his pet.
Awesome job.
He's moving. Oh my god. Holy smoke.